In the late 19th century, a beautiful Parisian teenage girl unknowingly gained fame after her death when her ethereal beauty caught the public's attention. Dubbed L'Inconnu de la Seine, or the Unknown Woman of the Seine, her peculiar story began after her life had ended. In the 1880s, the lifeless body of a young girl, around 16 years old, was recovered from the Seine River by the police, not far from the Louvre. There were no signs of foul play, so her death was deemed a suicide. Her identity remained a mystery. Following the customs of the time, her body was displayed in the window of the Paris morgue, hoping that someone would recognize and identify her. Though her identity remained elusive, passers-by marveled at her otherworldly beauty. A pathologist working at the morgue was so captivated by the girl's beauty that he made a death mask of her face. This marked the beginning of the posthumous career of L'Inconnu de la Seine. Numerous copies of the mask were made, and Parisians gifted each other sculptures and drawings of her face. The mysterious girl's beauty and enigmatic story made her an icon of the era. Writers and poets were also drawn to her story, inspiring various works of literature. For instance, in Richard Le Gallienne's novel The Worshipper of the Image, the beautiful death mask bewitches and ultimately leads a young poet to suicide. French philosopher Albert Camus dubbed L'Inconnu the French Mona Lisa, due to her enigmatic smile and the cult following she had garnered. The fascination with L'Inconnu faded over time, but she resurfaced decades later and acquired the title of the world's most kissed woman. In 1955, Asmund Lerdahl, a Norwegian toy manufacturer, saved his 2-year-old son from drowning during a trip. Inspired by the incident, Lerdahl became a passionate advocate for life-saving techniques and created the first realistic mannequin to demonstrate and practice mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. Wanting the mannequin to be endearing and willingly kissed by people, Lerdahl recalled L'Inconnu's face from a copy he had seen at his mother-in-law's house. The Resusci-Anne mannequin, featuring the face of the unknown woman of the Seine, was introduced in 1960 and quickly became an incredibly popular educational tool. Over the following decades, millions of people worldwide learned resuscitation with her help. Unknowingly, the young girl who took her own life ultimately contributed to saving countless others. The popular resuscitation training tool even made its way into pop culture, thanks to Michael Jackson's classic song Smooth Criminal, which features the lyrics, referencing the Resusci-Anne mannequin. However, some historians doubt the legend of the girl from the Seine, arguing that L'Inconnu's face is too smooth and intact to belong to a drowned corpse. The truth may never be known. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And be sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new uploads. We appreciate your support and hope to see you again soon.